It's about learning, not teaching. I can't teach you anything. I can show you something and help you and guide you and walk you through it, but you actually have to learn it. I'm not making you do it. So, you can't do it for somebody else.
Why is whole brain accelerated learning important? And maybe a minute or less.
Well, I mean, if you want to learn to do something and have it be part of you, you want to use whole brain learning or accelerated learning to do that, which means you can speed up the learning process, but you don't sacrifice quality for quantity. And it's using the way the brain works as opposed to using against it. Our educational systems, while some are more apt today to embrace some elements of accelerated or whole brain learning, much of our educational system was never based on how people actually learn. It was just to condition people to be good students or thereby good citizens by getting them to regurgitate facts and figures and sit in their desks and do what they were told and meet deadlines, for a certain number of years. So it wasn't about really learning. In fact, in college, now you can spend $100,000 or more on a college education. Within 6 months of graduating college, 80% of what you learned is forgotten, as the statistics now. So you paid $100,000 to forget how much, 80%. But you could come to a seminar like the seminars I do, where we do use accelerated learning, whole brain learning. We do it 2 or 3 days or 10 days or 14 days or something like that. And you immerse yourself in the process and you walk out remembering 80% or more because of the way that it's taught and the way that people learn. And it's about learning, not teaching. I can't teach you anything. I can show you something and help you and guide you and walk you through it, but you actually have to learn it. I'm not making you do it. So, you can't do it for somebody else.